Hello everyone, how are you all? In this video I am gonna show you how you can create and add a size chart to your product page and insert it on your collapsible row. So when your user click over here on this collapsible row, this is going to show your size chart. Okay, firstly we are going to need to create our metafield size chart. Secondly, we need to add it to our collapsible row and also add the collapsible row to our theme. And finally, we need to create our size chart table. Okay, so let's get started. And if you are selling clothes from AliExpress, make sure to check this size and easily import any size charts from AliExpress. Link below in the comments. So from your Shopify admin store, we are going to click on settings. Here we are going to click on custom data, products, and now we are going to add our metafield definition. Just click on add definition. And here I'm gonna name it as size charts. Okay. Here we are going to select the type. It's gonna be single line text. And now we are going to click on save over here. Now I'm gonna close it. And now we need to actually add this metafield to our theme. So I am going to click on online store, click on customize. Up here we are going to click on this home page, products, and default product. Here on the template section, on the product information, we are going to add our block. Oh, actually I already have one added over here, but I'm going to delete it and add it again just to show you guys. So here I'm going to add a block, and it is gonna be a collapsible row. Once I add it, I'm gonna click on it, and I'm gonna add my metafield that I just created. So you just click on this connected dynamic source, and here we are going to click on this left arrow to get our metafield from the product. Okay, so click over here on template product, and here we're going to click on size charts. Once we have done this, we are going to click on save. And now finally we are just need to create our size chart table. Okay, I like to create my size charts table on this website. It's called htmltables.io. So just type it on your browser and hit the enter. And once you are over here, we are going to firstly change the layout to auto, and we can also choose how many columns and rows we need. If we scroll down a little bit, we can edit this table. So for example, I can write something over here like size chart, or better, the shirt size chart, for example. And I can also edit this table information. Then once you have filled it with your information, you're gonna copy this code over here and you go back to your Shopify admin store. Click on products, and now we are going to add it to our product. Okay, I'm gonna choose this product over here, and I'm gonna paste this code on my size charts metafield. Okay, just hit the save button. And now if I click on preview, I will probably see my size chart on the collapsible row. Oops, it's not appearing. Let's hit the what? Why isn't it showing? Yeah, and now it's showing my collapsible row over here. Okay, and if you wanna get rid of these credits over here, we can just add this code. For example, I can remove this line from the code. For me, it's the 76. So if I remove this line and copy the code and paste again on my metafield, this will not appear anymore. Okay, so that's it, guys. I just forgot to show you guys, we can also add this collapsible row title and also the icon. If we click on the collapsible row, for example, on heading, we can say something like size charts, and we can also change the icon by selecting another one on this icon section over here. So for example, I can select a shirt, and it's way better right now. Okay, just click on save, and that's it.